So this is it. '06 750. She runs rides now, besides the rectifier and needing the battery because of that. But I got all that, everything but the battery. But this is how she is. But she's about to be different. Got everything new. I'm gonna show y'all. This is what we got. We got fucking plastics everywhere. New mirrors, LED taillight, blinkers, resistor, fucking servo buddy for the stupid exhaust delete valve, mirrors, brand new brake lines all around, plastics. Oh, what about this bad boy? Bad Larry headlight. We got more stuff up there, so we gotta start taking this baby apart. Get her right. I think she's gonna look a lot better. I'm not that happy with the plastics. I should have went a different route, but I didn't. They'll be fine for what. I don't have a show bike. I'm gonna beat the piss out of it, so I'm not really all that concerned. But yeah, I'm pumped. Give you guys some updates as we go. Shouldn't take that long. I mean, everything. I still gotta rip. I need a tire. I need both tires, so I gotta get my tires done. And I gotta pull my forks off and have them rebuilt. But this is a start. I'm about to strip it right now. Get the rectifier in. Get the servo buddy in. Um, Run to see if I got any other codes because I got a code right now for the servo. But there's probably more. But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there.